I grew up in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, and went to college in Philadelphia. I live in New York City with my wife, Kelly, and when I'm not working, you can usually find us checking out new restaurants, visiting museums, or going for a walk in Washington Square Park.
And I live in Miami with my wife and our 1-year-old daughter and our dog, Reese. I've been here for about the last 7 years. I was previously in Seattle. Outside of work, I love being outside, play a lot of racket sports from tennis, pickleball, padel. I also like to be in the water. I surf, I kite surf.
I started my career at McKinsey as a management consultant, then joined a large investment fund as an equity research analyst. A few years later, I helped the fund's managing partner launch a single-family office, where I invested nearly $500 million in family and founder-owned services businesses across the middle market. I spent most of my time meeting with incredible business owners, learning about their companies, and supporting them with capital and other resources. At the end of last year, I left that role and joined up with Ailey and formed 404 Endeavors, a firm built around the same idea of partnering with great people and building businesses that last.
Started my career right after Penn out in Seattle, working for Microsoft. I was a technical product manager on the Office team. So if you ever need tech support, I'm always happy to help. After Microsoft, I moved to Miami and joined RBI, the parent company of Burger King, Popeyes, Tim Hortons, and more recently Firehouse Subs. I was the first technical hire there, helped the team get to about 200 people, launched all the apps, websites, loyalty program, kiosks for North American brands, and several international markets. After that, I was asked to lead digital for Popeyes as the chief digital officer. And then when RBI acquired Firehouse Subs, I was one of the first employees to go over and lead all their tech. So as the chief technology officer and chief digital officer there, I'd say half my role was, again, focused on tech, whether it's rolling out new apps, point of sale systems, you name it. The other half was traveling across the country and Canada, meeting with franchisees who often had more than just their one brand. They had many other businesses as well.
What draws us to acquiring a business is the opportunity to partner with great operators and expand on something that already works. We love tackling complex problems, understanding what's driving the business, what's holding it back, and how we can help take things to the next level. It's incredibly rewarding to work with business owners who have built something lasting and help them carry that legacy forward.
And we were college roommates, so we've known each other, I guess I'll say it, for over 15 years now. And I always wanted to do something. We took slightly different paths after graduating. Everything just aligned earlier this year. We got to a point in our careers where we wanted to do something more on our own, something more entrepreneurial. We spent a lot of time narrowing our strategy, exactly what we wanted to do. But what it came down to is finding great businesses in the lower middle market and helping them grow, both organically and through M&A.